iPhone 13 Pro screen replacement. Don't let a broken screen ruin your iPhone 13 Pro experience. Get it fixed by the best mobile phone repair shop in Sydney CBD today. The iPhone 13 Pro is one of Apple's flagship smartphone. It features a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology, which adapts the refresh rate up to 120 Hz for smoother scrolling and gaming. It also has an always-on display that shows the time, date, and notifications without waking the screen. The iPhone 13 Pro has a Pro camera system that consists of 3 lenses, a 48-megapixels main camera, an ultra-wide camera with macro capabilities, and a telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. The camera system also supports cinematic mode, which allows you to shoot videos with shallow depth of field and automatic focus transitions. The iPhone 13 Pro can also record videos in Dolby Vision HDR for stunning colors and contrast. The iPhone 13 Pro is powered by the A16 Bionic chip, which is the fastest smartphone chip ever. It enables advanced features like Face ID, which uses facial recognition to unlock the phone and authenticate payments, and super-fast 5G cellular, which delivers faster download and upload speeds. The iPhone 13 Pro also has an exceptional battery life, lasting up to 29 hours of video playback. The iPhone 13 Pro is available in 5 colors: Alpine Green, Silver, Gold, Graphite, and Sierra Blue. It has a surgical-grade stainless steel frame and a ceramic shield front that is tougher than any smartphone glass. It also has an industry-leading IP68 water resistance, which means it can withstand submersion in up to 6 meters of water for up to 30 minutes. You can buy it from Apple or from various carriers and retailers. You can also trade in your old iPhone or other eligible devices for credit towards your new iPhone. The iPhone 13 Pro is a powerful and versatile smartphone that offers a premium experience for users who want the best of the best. It is designed to help you capture, create, and enjoy more than ever before. If you have cracked or damaged your iPhone 13 Pro screen. If you own an iPhone 13 Pro and find yourself facing a cracked or damaged screen, you might be wondering how to get it fixed quickly and affordably. You don't want to compromise on the quality of the repair or lose any of your phone's features, such as Face ID and True Tone. There's no need to panic. Sydney CBD Repair Centre is here to help you with their efficient and professional screen replacement service. With a team of skilled technicians and a commitment to using genuine parts, they ensure a seamless and high-quality repair process. One of the standout features of the Sydney CBD Repair Centre is their use of genuine parts. They understand the importance of using authentic components to maintain the overall quality and performance of your iPhone 13 Pro. This means that when you bring in your device for a screen replacement, you can rest assured that only the best parts will be used. What sets Sydney CBD Repair Centre apart from other repair centres is their impressive 1-hour timeframe for screen replacements. They understand that your iPhone is an essential part of your daily life, and being without it for an extended period can be inconvenient. With their efficient service, you can have your iPhone 13 Pro screen replaced in just 1 hour, allowing you to get back to your normal routine as quickly as possible. When replacing the screen of your iPhone 13 Pro, you may have concerns about the compatibility of your old Face ID scanner and True Tone functionality with the new screen. Sydney CBD Repair Centre ensures that these features continue to work flawlessly even after the screen replacement. Their technicians are well versed in the intricacies of Apple devices and take the necessary precautions to ensure that all features are preserved during the repair process. Sydney CBD Repair Centre is a team of experts who specialize in iPhone screen replacement in Sydney City. Sydney CBD Repair Centre has built a solid reputation for providing excellent service, as evidenced by their impressive track record of over 1,700 positive Google reviews. Customers have consistently praised their professionalism, expertise, and attention to detail. This level of customer satisfaction speaks volumes about the quality of their screen replacement services. Convenience is also a key factor when choosing a repair centre, and Sydney CBD Repair Centre understands this well. They are open from Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., and on Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. These extended hours accommodate those with busy schedules, ensuring that you can bring in your iPhone 13 Pro for a screen replacement without any hassle. Sydney CBD Repair Centre is conveniently located in Chinatown, near the Sydney Light Rail stop. You can call them at 8011-4119 or 043-777-4119, or visit their website at https://www.sydneycbdrepaircentre.com.au/ to book your appointment, but you can walk in on their business days and hours, or request a quote. When it comes to iPhone 13 Pro screen replacement, Sydney CBD Repair Centre is a trustworthy and reliable choice. With their use of genuine parts, efficient 1-hour timeframe, and compatibility assurance, you can have peace of mind knowing that your device is in capable hands. Their exceptional customer reviews and convenient operating hours further demonstrate their commitment to providing top-notch service. So, if you find yourself in need of a screen replacement for your iPhone 13 Pro, don't hesitate to visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Can iPhone 13 Pro screen be replaced? Replacing the screen of an iPhone 13 Pro is possible but comes with options and challenges. Users can choose between a glass-only replacement kit, professional service, or replacing the OLED screen and digitizer. The durability of the iPhone 13 Pro screen is enhanced with Apple's ceramic shield, but severe impacts can still lead to cracking. Official repair services from Apple ensure quality but may be more expensive. Third-party repair services can offer lower costs, but the quality of parts and workmanship should be considered. Warranty coverage and research are crucial when deciding on a repair option. Key takeaways: iPhone 13 Pro screens can be replaced, but various options and challenges are involved. Options for replacement include a glass-only kit, professional service, or replacing the OLED screen and digitizer. The ceramic shield on the iPhone 13 Pro enhances screen durability, but severe impacts can still cause cracking. Official repair services from Apple ensure quality but may be more expensive. Third-party repair services can offer lower costs, but the quality of parts and workmanship should be considered. Checking warranty coverage and researching reputable third-party options are important. Factors such as cost, convenience, and quality should be weighed when choosing a repair option for the iPhone 13 Pro.